Autoimmune Protocol Diet, how it works, how to use it. Ever feel like your immune system is working against you instead of for you? I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and today we're actually diving into the Autoimmune Paleo Diet, or AIP, a powerful approach to calming inflammation and supporting your immune system naturally. AIP is a supercharged version of an elimination diet. It's designed to reduce inflammation, calm the overactive immune system, and identify foods that trigger symptoms. AIP focuses on nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory foods while cutting out potential troublemakers like grains, dairy, processed foods, nuts, seeds, eggs, and nightshades. Why nightshades? Foods like tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes can actually cause issues for some people with autoimmune conditions. But don't worry, it's not about restriction forever. The idea is to eliminate these foods for a while, give your gut and immune system a chance to rest, relax, digest, repair, and then you can gradually reintroduce foods to see what works for your body. All right, so what's left on the menu? Surprisingly, a lot. AIP focuses on nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body and support healing. Here's a quick rundown of what you can enjoy. Grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish and seafood, fruits and vegetables, organ meats, herbs, spices, fermented foods. The goal? Feed your body with foods that support healing, reduce inflammation, help your immune system recalibrate. Why should you consider the autoimmune paleo diet? First, it removes common inflammatory triggers. Second, AIP actually supports gut healing. Did you know that around 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? Poor gut health can lead to leaky gut, where harmful substances escape into the bloodstream and they trigger an immune response. If you've ever had medications, antibiotics, had food poisoning, parasites, yeast, viruses, bacteria, those things can cause and poke holes in your gut. So that leads to leaky gut. And let's say you eat a food that comes through the leaky gut, your immune system is going to make antibodies against those foods that you're eating, even though they might be good for you. And that immune response is how you get an autoimmune disease, whether it's those antibodies attacking your thyroid, attacking your joints, attacking your skin, attacking your brain. Those are all symptoms of an autoimmune thing going on in your body. And you want to reduce that amount of antibodies that are produced by reducing those inflammatory foods. AIP is such a personalized journey. And it's unlike one size fits all diet, it empowers you to be able to identify your unique food triggers and figure out what could be causing you issues in your gut and therefore your autoimmune disease. Getting started with AIP, here's how to get started. The phase 1 is elimination. Remove all potential trigger foods. This phase typically lasts around 30 to 90 days depending on how you're feeling, and that would include the gluten, dairy, sugar, corn, soy, coffee, nightshades, eggs. And it sounds like a lot, but really focusing on the foods that you can eat is what you want to do here. Number 2, focus on healing. Fuel your diet with nutrient-rich anti-inflammatory foods. Think of it as an opportunity to discover new recipes and flavors. What I like to tell people when they eat the AIP is that, let's say breakfast would be a green smoothie and lunch would be salad with your protein, and then dinner would be your half plate of vegetables with your protein and good fats. Those are the templates of what you can eat every day. Phase 2, reintroduction. Once you've noticed an improvement in your symptoms, which is, oh wow, I feel less brain fog, I feel less bloated, I have more energy, now you can start reintroducing foods one at a time. This is key. Reintroducing one food every 3 to 7 days. See how you feel. See if your symptoms like the joint aching, the digestive issues, the fatigue, the brain fog, do they come back? Any stomach aches? If you have a problem with that food, then you should probably still try to cut it out. But if you're able to reintroduce, that's great. Continually work on your gut healing with your provider. That's the key to being able to help you overcome autoimmune disease and also repair your gut lining. Want to learn more about AIP and how it can transform your health? Like, follow, subscribe for more health tips. and recipes. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, here to empower you to take control of your health.